Do you struggle with quality issues? Are your inspections either a lot of work or super complicated to set up? Then I have a solution for you, SICK Nova. I'm Daniel, and I will introduce you to the world of SICK Nova. SICK Nova is an AI-capable foundation software for a variety of applications and industries in quality control. It can be used with a variety of 2D and 3D vision sensors, allowing you to choose the best fitting technology for your application. To process the captured data, Nova offers a wide range of image analysis and communication tools that can be licensed in toolsets. But no worries, just select and use the tools required to solve your task. Anyone with a PC, a SICK product supporting Nova, the corresponding SICK Nova software itself, and a suitable toolset license can solve even demanding applications with just a few clicks. And conveniently, the software and license is often pre-installed on delivery. But enough talking, let's dive right into it. Just open a web browser like Google Chrome and enter the IP address of the device. You can see the standard user interface, which is very well structured and user-friendly. On the left is the navigation that will guide you through the major configuration steps of the product. In the pane on the right side are the parameters of the currently selected tool and can be configured as needed. In the upper right corner, you will find the configure and run mode. Switch to configure mode to apply tools and adjust them. When finished with the configuration, change to run mode to get full performance for production. Next to it is the result history, the login and logout buttons, which are used to see different settings, and the save button. In the center, you see the live image, recorded data or the reference image, to which you apply all tools too. But we'll come to that in a minute. Now let's start with the acquisition. Place a sample, in our case, a delicious chocolate bar, under the camera and align it straight in the center of the field of view. Switch to configure in the top right corner. Click the Run Auto Setup button to let the camera find the best application settings itself. You can then choose the recommended configuration or adjust the parameters in the settings. In our case, the result is already sufficient and we can update the reference image and move on to the next step. To analyze features of your object, click on Add Analysis tool. Depending on the toolset license installed on the hardware, you will find a large selection of different tools here. If you want to learn more about using the various tools, take a look at the SICK Nova playlist. Today I want to locate the chocolate bar, so I choose the object locator. To get reliable localization, select the feature that is distinctive and always present on all objects to be inspected. In our case, I use the brand logo. Click and hold the inner rectangle with your left mouse key to move the inspection region to the desired position. Adjust the size and rotation by moving the grab regions at the edges of the tool. Now you can configure the settings of the object locator. For example, adjust the maximum allowed object rotation if required. To get context-sensitive help for your current tool, click the question mark in the upper right corner. Now let's have a look at the live image. Click on the Live tab above the image and select the play button below. Move the chocolate around and observe the results of the object locator. Looks like it localizes my chocolate very well. In the Results tab, you can add result tools like expressions, which is used for extended result processing depending on your application. Now select the communication tool that matches your production interface. For example, you can use the digital output to activate a switching output in case all inspections are passed. In run mode, we can now check our results and see the passes and fails via the result history. The result is great. Now I click on Save Permanent in the top right corner to save my configuration, so the device automatically starts working after boot up. Wow, that was easy, wasn't it? Using the intuitive user interface, we configured all relevant tools effortlessly and quickly. If you can't wait to get started, get in touch with your local SICK sales representative to find out more about the incredible world of SICK Nova.